keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 2 subject Mathematics topic. Let's reduce by subtraction. Welcome dear students. Today let us learn to reduce by subtraction. First tell me what is subtraction? Subtraction means to take away from a group or a numbers of things. When we subtract the numbers of things in the group, it reduce or become less. So let us understand through different methods. First, subtraction by striking of objects. Children, these methods you all have used from junior KG till now. Let's use this in word problem. First, Kshitij had 5 cups. He gave 3 cups to Aanchal. How many cups are left with Kshitij? Children, in word problems of subtraction, words like left, remain, etc. indicates that the word problems is of subtraction. Now let us solve the sum. Children, you all can see 5 cups. What is the sum? 5 minus 3. So from the cups, we have strike out 3 cups. So now, how many left? Yes, 2. Children, as it is single digit number, so only one column will come. That is of units. Let us put the numbers in proper place. So 5 minus 3. 5 cups with Kshitij and 3 cups given to Aanchal. How many cups left? 2 cups left with Kshitij. Now let us see the next method. That is subtraction by pairing. For example, there are 8 paper lanterns and 4 lamps. How many more lanterns are there than lamps? Children, in this method, we have to make a pair of 2. By doing so, we'll come to know which one is more and which one is less. Let's start making pair of lanterns and lamps. So tell me how many lanterns are there? 8 minus 4. How many lamps? So start making pair lanterns with lamp. Okay. So now tell me how many more lanterns are there than lamp? Yes, there are 4 more lanterns than the lamps. Now we'll move to next method. That is subtraction by counting forward. Let us see the example. Okay. Suresh had 9 rupees. Ramesh also bought some. Although they had 14 rupees. How many rupees did Ramesh bring? Let's see. What we have to do? First tell me the sum. That is 14 minus 9. Okay. So we have to see the smallest among these two numbers. That is 9. So children will count forward from 9 up to 14. Let's count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now count total numbers after 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, the answer for 14 minus 9 is 5. So now, let's move to next method. That is subtraction using a number line. Let's see the use of number line in subtraction. Yes, it will be interesting. So, start drawing number line in your book, beta. Children, we can use a number line to carry out a subtraction by counting either backward or forward. Let us understand first subtraction by counting forward. For example, 14 minus 9. Children, you all can see the number line. Let's start counting forward with the help of number line. Let's start. We have to start from the smallest number among the given. That is, we have to start from 9 and move forward till we reach 14. We have to move 5 steps forward to reach 14. So the answer is 5. That is 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Now let us understand subtraction by counting backward. For example, let's take the same number, that is 14 minus 9. Now here children, in subtracting by counting backward, we have to see the biggest number among the given numbers, that is 14. So we'll have to start from 14 and move 9 steps backward. So where we are going to reach? Yes, we'll reach to 5. So the answer is 5. So what do we understood here? That subtracting by counting forward or backward, answer will be the same. Now let's start with exercise. So ready? Get set go. First, subtraction by striking off object. Sum is 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Next, subtraction by pairing. Here you will have to pair. Sum is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Third, subtraction by counting forward. The sum is 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Here we have to count forward from 8 till 13. So the answer is 5. Okay, next, subtraction by counting forward. 13 minus 9. So the answer is 4. Now subtraction by using a number line. So here we have two methods. First is subtraction by counting backwards. Sum is 13 minus 9. So the answer will be 4. Next is subtraction by counting forward. Sum is 13 minus 9. So the answer will be 4. Both answer will be same, either backward or forward. So children, I hope you all enjoyed learning. So keep learning every day. Keep smiling every day. Thank you.